Is it time to buy or sell IONQ stock? In this video, we are diving deep into IONQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the second day of October 2024, our system has identified IONQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.43. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 184.57% since we initially designated IONQ as a buy candidate 32 days ago. This results in an average return of 5.77% per day since it was named a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust ascending trend in the short term. This scenario may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. Should the stock break above the upper trend line at $27, it will initially signify an increased rate of ascent. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, it suggests a potential change of 135.68% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 42.54% to 143.8%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a possible change of negative 2.79% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 76.67% and negative 0.654%. This translates to a price range from $6.11 to $26.01 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for IONQ includes the headline, High Volatility in IONQ Inc. stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $26.18. On the last trading day, the IONQ Inc. stock price decreased by 2.16%, falling from $26.76 to $26.18. Throughout that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 12.79%, with a low of $24.87 and a high of $28.05. Over the last 2 weeks, there has been a significant gain of 74.18%. It's worth noting that the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock movement. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 5 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $881,630,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $28.05, while the lowest was $6.23. Currently, the price sits 6.67%, or $1.87, below the 52-week high and 27.08%, or $9.72, below the all-time high on November 18, 2021, when the price peaked at $35.90. IONQ is making headlines today for several compelling reasons that could significantly impact its stock price in both the short and long term. The company is set to showcase its new quantum hybrid capabilities at the upcoming SuperCompute 24 event, which attracts leaders in high-performance computing. This exposure can enhance its reputation and attract potential investors and partners. Additionally, IONQ's recent announcement of being granted new patents has created a positive buzz among investors, indicating robust intellectual property protection and innovation. With over 600 issued and pending patents after acquiring Cubitech's portfolio, IonQ strengthens its competitive moat in the quantum computing space, fostering investor confidence. Moreover, the company has forged key partnerships across various sectors, including telecom and biopharma, which expands its market reach and opens new revenue streams. The integration of these partnerships and its recent technical milestones in quantum networking are likely to spur further investor interest. However, it's essential to note that IonQ's financial position is under scrutiny as analysts observe a rapid decline in its cash reserves. While strong third-quarter earnings and a solid financial foundation currently bolster its stock, continued heavy research and development costs could pose risks if not managed effectively. Overall, the combination of innovative developments and strategic growth initiatives suggests both immediate upside potential and long-term sustainability for IonQ's stock price. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Zacks Investment Research assigned IonQ a perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham rated IonQ as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, Benchmark issued a buy rating for IonQ along with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, Needham also rated IonQ as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 16th of May, 2024, Needham again assigned a buy rating to IonQ with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned IonQ stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for IONQ. IONQ Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at the levels of $23.26 and $14.67. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 13, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 2.16%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 43 days ago. The short-term moving average has presented a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 44 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 48 days ago. The long-term moving average has issued a sell signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 33 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for IONQ. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $24.80 and $23.52. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, IONQ Inc. has support just beneath today's level at $24.80. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $23.52 and $22.11. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $3.18 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 12.79%. During the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 16.09%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for IONQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 26th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 23 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for IONQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for IONQ is at $26.76. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, IONQ encounters its first support level at $24.80. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for IONQ from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Alameddin Rima, who acquired and disposed of 56,125 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 1.592. In total, insiders purchased 5,298,929 shares and sold 15,493,149 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.03, reflecting a decrease of 4.38%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Furthermore, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that was observed 1 day ago. Is IONQ stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for IONQ Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 15th of November, we anticipate that IONQ will open at approximately 187 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $26.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.